Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss on gold, on what are we expecting next week. Remember, we have been consistently making profit from the last weeks on the live chat here on the Trading Focus. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, and I will see you in the minutes as we predict what are we looking for from the next few hours in the market on gold. Okay guys, welcome back. Let's start from the higher time frame. Let's start from the daily time frame so that we can see where we are standing right now. Okay, so checking from the previous movement of the market, you can see from this area we moved up. Okay, we corrected from this area as trying to pull back, then by an uptrend continuation, strong move uptrend, then pause from this area, impulse from this area. We continue until we create those structures, and then we break above them and continue in the uptrend. There's nothing else that we're expecting from next week. We are expecting to continue go with the trend. We are expecting an uptrend continuation. So it's a matter of where are we going to be entering from by taking opportunities to buy. Okay, so this is a structure that where we are standing right now. That's where we have been taking trades from the last weeks. So now the market, we are expecting an uptrend continuation. Where are we expecting to enter from as we continue with the trend? So we have this area. This one was a demand zone. Okay, so now what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to continue upside. The target will be from, remember in my previous video I've been talking about, and some videos of education, I've been talking about how can you target when you are not seeing the left hand side, the next high or the next low, even from the higher time frame. You have to measure the previous move, like this one. Okay, from here to this one, that's what we are expecting also from this area. So it's the same. So now from here, from this candlestick, so the target now will be from this area. Okay, so now we are going to move to the lower time frame and see how can we continue entering by taking buys as we are targeting this area. This is 512, so that is our target. Let me mark it. So from the lower time frame, for our time frame, let me check from this. Remember from the previous live stream, we have been taking these buys from this area, taking sell as a deep pullback from this area. We target from the high to the low from the demand zones, then we continue to take a buy from the strong areas of demand. We are in the uptrend. We took a trade from the last week from this area. We are still moving up from the lower time frame. You also got some opportunity to enter from internal area from this area. I talked about that from the previous video. Okay, this was another demand. We entered also from this area. We continued moving up from 30 minutes. Let me check also another entry we got from this area. Okay, this one, high to the low, another demand from this area. This is an entry to buy from. So we entered also from this area. We continued to move up, and even last week we have been struggling to buy from this area, but still the market continued moving up. Remember, we took 3 trades from this area and then we made profit. So now where are we going now? At least I have been telling you about the target. The target is so high, this one, but there are some areas where we are expecting also the market to react as we can also create a deep pullback to the downside. So this is an area now we are looking for. This one, because we mark from supply areas, this is the last buying volume. This is a supply. That's where the target is now. What about next? From even this area, and even this is all liquidity. We can even target at least from this area. Yes, you can see these areas, this choppy market, but it doesn't matter if we are in the strong trend, we are in the uptrend. We need to sweep all this liquidity, then we start balancing the market as we are expecting the market to break even above these areas, continue to target the area that we have been talking about, this one. Okay, so from where we are standing, what are we looking for from tomorrow? Even the market is about to open. Okay, so we are here right now. So let me see, where can we mark now from? So we have this area. We are above. We need to stay above this area. Okay, how can we stay above this area? If by not breaking below this area. If we stay above this area, we need to continue buying. If the market breaks below this area, also we are going to wait from some areas where we can also take a buy from. So now what we see now is to continue buying from this area as a new structure. So we have this one. We are trying to make a touch from this area. So this is what I'm expecting when the market open. We are either going to open by moving down like this, equal low, then we start struggling from this area. When we get a volume from London session, we start moving up, or even from Asian session, we can also move up from this area. Remember now the target is from this area. Okay, so if that doesn't happen, what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to gap down also again, as I said, so that we can reject from this area, then we start moving up from there as we target also the previous area target that I've been talking about. This is the area that I'm expecting also to be rejecting from. So we are going to focus staying above this area. We are taking a buy by targeting this area, which is near here. So then that's what I'm looking for in the market. We will be together, don't worry about that. Every ideas will be on the chart live from night. I don't know, it depends on where you are from. When the market will be opening, then God will be live on the chart. So even I can say that from the week after next week, we will be watching this from the Trading Empire CR7. That's where we can now take those entries from live stream. This channel will be only for education about trading. So from next week, we'll be together live. And the other side, from the Trading Empire CR7, you're going to be following GBPUSD and GBP Japanese yen. If you can focus on gold from next week, on the other side, even you can focus on GBPUSD and GBP Japanese yen from the Trading Empire CR7. The link will be in the description. So next, we are going to discuss also EURUSD and GBPUSD, even GBPJPY, that's GJ. So I'm going to be I will leave the link and description in this video so that you can watch those videos before I upload on the public. So that is your opportunity. So guys, remember, subscribe on the channel, Stay updated. We'll be together from the market open. Until next time, be safe.